different worlds, including the virtual one. In this poem entitled Princess Peach Speaks, we get to hear what the innocent princess from Super Mario Brothers really has to say. Thanks, Mario! I guess. For fighting those Koopa Troopers, riding on the backs of dolphins, and traveling all the way to Star World to save me. You keep saying it was a lot of hard work. How you almost lost all of your 99 lives. I should be grateful. But from my part of the castle, it looked a lot like adventure. But what do I know? I'm just getting caught up in a tree. I get to sit in this 8-bit castle, guarded by a fire-breathing turtle. And I've been here for however long it's taken you to get past that freaking flying level. And now, of course, what I want to do is get married, enter into another imprisonment called matrimony with you. You, whose brother wears the exact same outfit as you, but in a different color, like twin infants. You, whose brother's constantly whispering in my ear, "Dang, Peach, if only I'd gone to you first." But your princess is in another castle, filing her taxes. Because she's a princess, and she makes a heck of a lot more money than you do, Mario. When she needs her toilet unplugged, she'll call you, Mario. But your princess is in another castle. I don't know, preparing to inherit rule of an entire country? Princess Peach got work to do. Princess already brushed her hair today. Now Princess gotta make some phone calls, send some emails, get her ball gown fitted just right. Oh! You thought Princess was trapped by Bowser? Maybe Princess hired Bowser as a bouncer because she didn't have time to reject you at the door. What makes you think every time Princess doesn't answer, it means she needs your help? Can't a woman get some alone time around here to deal with her stuff? What stuff, you ask? I don't know. Body image, rape culture, gender roles, motherhood, the fact that no one will let her wear anything other than a pink dress. You ride a dinosaur that comes in more colors than I do. I don't ever get to ride a dinosaur. You fought off a baseball-throwing football player, and now you think you're entitled to Peach's peach? I should have stayed with Bowser, because at least he called himself a monster. At least I knew what he was. Not some one-dimensional super nerd who thinks human decency is unattainable, who thinks a savior complex gets me fired up. You're the date who buys me a nice dinner and calls me a tease when I don't let you upstairs. You're the guy in the street who tells me to smile before cutting into me. You're all the states in America where it's legal to rape your wife.